Hello, beautiful fashion lovers. I'm here to bring you some lovely and elegant style that are trending in Africa and around the world. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all staying safe. Let's quickly check this latest and gorgeous outfit that you can rock to any beautiful and lovely occasion of your choice. So, if you're just new on this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new video, you'll be the first to get the update. So sit back and watch all these beautiful and gorgeous outfits to the end. Thank you for stopping by to watch all of these beautiful and elegant styles that are trending in Africa. So I'll be glad if you will all join me in our next episode because I'll bring you more lovely and gorgeous outfits that you can wear to your next occasion. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new video, you'll be the first to get the update. So have a beautiful and lovely time. Bye.